Hello mga kabapais, nakarinig mo sa pinakataas nga waterfalls dito sa Cebu. Waterfalls dito sa Cebu. Kung wala pa din, watch this video up until the end para makita niyo kung unsa ni kanindot. Mao din siya ang Mantayupan Falls nga located dito sa South Cebu, 3rd District, Municipality of Barili, Barangay Pampanga. Mao na siya ang pinakataas nga waterfalls dito sa Cebu nga naay gitaas-on nga 98 meters. And ang entrance fee ring dapita is only 50 pesos. Kung ganahan mo mag life vest kay dili mo kabalo malangoy, well, no worries, kay for only 50 pesos pwede na mo moabang silahang life vest. And 5 kilometers na siya away from the main town Barili or sa munisipyo sa Barili. And if you are from Cebu City, you can take a bus in South Bus Terminal from Cebu City and ask the driver to drop you off at the Poblacion Barili or diha sa eskina dapit sa munisipyo. And estimated travel time is about 2 and 2.5 hours. From there, pwede po kang musakay o habal-habal yung dapita and riding habal-habal, and you will reach the Mantayupan Falls, which is only 5 kilometers away, and the fare is only 50 to 100 pesos. And if you are going to take a car naman, then you can navigate it with Waze or Google Maps and just set your destination to Mantayupan Falls in Barili. And Cebu is home to a lot of majestic waterfalls, so if you are going to visit Cebu, then don't forget to visit the tallest waterfalls here, which is the Mantayupan Falls, about 98 meters. So unsa pa niyo ang gipaabot kung wala pa mo nakari sa Mantayupan Falls, then ali na mo diri. And by the way, this is Papay's TV, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe my Facebook channel or Facebook page for more travel videos. See you soon. Bye bye.